well, the people who make fake bills are creative, diba? By version. So we only do it after the fact. Ren opens the cash box to count it. He sees there's a fake bill. When he doesn't, the bank won't accept this. So he's gonna go back to Sir Marlon and Athena. Can you read this and update all the bill acceptors so that the next time the person inserts it, this bill acceptor can detect that. So yun yung benefit ng network of software. Then, yun, it will get rejected kasi alam na machine na fake yun. Pero then again, may bago na naman. So may risk siya.
Carlo, we have mga lumang papel. Usual worn out na. Does the machine accept it?
Yeah, some bills we accept, pero yung mga talagang worn out, niluluwa siya.
Okay.
Yeah, yung lalo na yung mga kulit-kulit.
Right.
We detect those.
Other currencies, does it accept?
Pero it's only Philippines.
Here's I'm just throwing all these crazy questions.
50,000. Maximum transaction now, 50,000 per transaction.
Oh.
Right. Then kung lalabas ng bagong bill yung presidente, we're going to get sample bills from the bank, and we're going to do the same process. Send it over to Athena, then she reads that, then update.
Okay, alright. So, does it give change? Kasi minsan the bill is not exactly, let's say 500, let's say 498. So paano yung dalawang
Right, if it's a pay bill, advance payment na yung change. Pero kung nag-fail yung transaction, mapupunta yun sa may supli account nila. Yung may supli account is their cellphone number. Then may OTP na masasend sa cellphone number. So now they have their account number and their password. Now they go to the kiosk, then they go, okay, I want to know how much my supli I have. Then it's
And they can use it for a future transaction.
They can use it for a future transaction.
Alright, great demo! Okay, meron tayong isa pang question. Go
Or
ahead.
ano po, in the future, ano rin kayo ng barya? Maglalagay din ba kayo?
Sir Marlon, you want to answer this? Are we
Maria,
going to go into coins?
Oo.
Kasi wala nang
Actually, siyempre may aralin kami ginawa. So, napansin namin kasi yung coins, kasi mahirap talaga i-maintain. Laging magmamalfunction yung machine. Lalo na pag naubusan na ng coin. So, mahirap, no? Lagi na lang down yung machine. Kaya we come up with this MySupli actually. So, we converted it into e-change instead. So, parang accessible siya anywhere. Yun yung kagandahan niya. So, maraming machine na laging down actually dahil sa coin. So, mahihirapan siya i-maintain. Accepting coin, tsaka yung, lalo na yung supli, kung nagsusupli ng coin. Pero mga ganyan sa mga parking lot. Kaya mapapansin nyo madalas down din sila.
Right. Another crazy question. Would you be interested in putting a machine like this in OFW-centric countries abroad? Para hindi sa ipadala pa nila through a remittance center, sila na mismo direction sa Hong Kong.
Yeah, actually, pinuntahan namin yung Singapore to check how yung payment process, tingnan namin. Gusto rin namin makipag-coordinate sa mga, syempre, dun sa mismo mga REMCO, remittance company. Kasi, kaya ng technically, pwede talaga. Kaya lang maraming restrictions sa government na hindi basta-basta namin magawa. Pero technical, we can accept dollars, Hong Kong dollars, Singapore dollars.
Carlo.
The opportunity is there because GCash is already abroad.
That's right.
Partner namin si GCash, so there's an opportunity there. There's also an opportunity to expand to Southeast Asia. There are other countries just like the Philippines. So there are opportunities there.
Okay, last question. Nasoli na ba ang trial money? Yes, Nasoli na ba ang trial money?
Ganda na yun.
Ay, hindi pa. Okay, okay.